K3072 Lockable Slide Action Bolt. It's designed and made by Croft, who are a British foundry. They're based in Willenhall in the West Midlands, and they're known for their superior standards, and they really do make some exceptional high quality pieces. So this bolt here is available in 4 different sizes. So it's available in 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch and 12 inch. And this particular one here is in the 12 inch, so it's the extra large size, which you can tell because it's a very, very large bolt. It's made from solid brass, which again you can also tell from the weight of it, and it's in a polished brass unlacquered finish. Now it is available in over 20 different finishes, so have a look on our website and see what's available. So this bolt here has got a lovely sliding mechanism to it, as you can see. Another real handy feature to it is that it is also lockable as well. So Croft provides you with this Allen key, and all you need to simply do is just, when it's slid shut like so, you just need to pop the Allen key into your little grub screw, turn it like so, and then it locks that mechanism there for you. So it's a handy feature to have. It comes with your 2 keeps that Croft also provide for you, so you have an option of both. So you have your wall mounted keep, which goes on the wall, and then you have your mortise keep, your flat plate mortise, that goes into the side. So you've got good options there, so you don't need to worry about them. Croft also provides you with all the screws that you need for it. The screws also come matching in your choice of screws. So it really is a superb, amazing bolt. You definitely will not be disappointed by it. So there we have it, the K3072 Lockable Slide Action Bolt.